2024 Passport Trailsport versus 2024 4Runner TRD Off Road. Fight! Honda's Trailsport badge started as pure cowboy cosplay, adding visual flair but little else to the automaker's two-row midsize SUV. When tested, the 2022 Passport Trailsport fell short of the mark and could stand to pack some true off-road credentials. Honda decided to remedy that for 2024 with some hardware changes, namely to the suspension and tires. And the results show that Honda was able to make these changes without sullying the Passport's primary mission of reliable family vehicle. The Toyota 4Runner has been kicking around now for 41 years. For the majority of that time, new generations would dawn every 6 years, injecting Toyota's midsize SUV with a fresh design and more refinement. For the past 15 years, though, including the 2024 Toyota 4Runner, we've been graced with Generation 5. The TRD Off Road is made for just that, off-road. The 4Runner is equipped with a 4.0-liter V6 that outputs 270 horsepower and a transmission of 5-speed automatic. It has a torque output of 278 pound-feet, while also having an MPG rating of 16 city, 19 highway, with 17 combined. The car is equipped with 4-wheel drive, has a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds, and has a payload of 1,550 pounds. The Honda Passport is pre-packaged with a 3.5-liter V6 outputting 280 horsepower with a 262 pound-feet of torque and an MPG rating of 19 city and 24 highway with 21 combined. The car is an all-wheel drive with 9-speed automatic and has a towing capacity of 5,000 pounds with a payload of 1,483 pounds. The pros of the 4Runner when compared to the Passport includes available third-row bench. It has an in-car Wi-Fi and Amazon Alexa. It is equipped with hill descent assist. It has a cargo capacity of 46.3 cubic feet. The ground clearance of the vehicle is 9.6 inches, and it also contains 8 speakers. The cons include optional navigation, climate control is manual, the car is equipped with cloth seats, and comes with 17-inch rims without any parking sensor. In comparison, the Honda Passport Pros includes leather seats, front and rear parking sensors. It is equipped with active lane keep assist instead of just warning. It comes with paddle shifters, power trunk / liftgate. The car is also equipped with wireless charging, navigation, power and heated driver and passenger seat with 2 setting memory for driver. It also has dual zone climate control, standard remote start, ambient lighting, 18-inch rims, auto dimming rear view mirror, and lastly dual zone climate control. Now for the cons, it has an 8.1 inches ground clearance, which is less than the 4Runner. The starting price of the Honda Passport is higher than the 4Runner, but it also does not have a third row seating. Compared to the 4Runner, this vehicle only has 7 speakers, and lastly has no hill descent assist. In summary, the TRD Off Road is built more for those who wants an off-road capable vehicle and doesn't mind sacrificing some on-road comfort, as you'll find this rugged Toyota to be slow and noisy with ponderous handling that is especially worse on more off-road oriented models like the TRD Off Road. On the other hand, the Passport Trailsport is not going to be as capable off-road, but it is equipped with more tech, safety, and comfort features that are useful for daily on-road driving. It is also nice to drive because it was built primarily focused on on-road comfort, unlike the 4Runner, which has a long history of being an off-road monster. Vote now. Comment down below for Passport Trailsport or like the video for the 4Runner TRD Off Road, and we will see which is the best midsize SUV.